Howdy, howdy. So this is our,
Johnny,
this river's our property line. I just found this bridge there. They didn't even know it was on the property. I guess it's for the farmers on the other side of the mountain to use. Don't get used very often.
Johnny! There's the bus stop. So we're laying out a shop or store, whatever here. Got the corners staked out. It's gonna be right here. Oh, the boys have got long pieces of grass and they're being silly. So we got our ditch dug to drain the water away from the building. That stump's in our way. Gotta try to get it out. But we're having a lot of problems in the greenhouse with cutworms. They're cutting, I'd say some of the stuff they've cut 100% of it. Other stuff's 50%, some of it's 25%. But I replanted yesterday. Hopefully we'll
So we started cutting stump out and chain broke. So this stump is really hard. It smells good. It's been here for years probably. Boy, it's some kind of wood that doesn't rot very easy. Tried to chop with the axe a bit. Didn't seem to. I could have spent a couple hours at it and got it, but I decided just to let it go for right now. Not sure what kind of tree this was, but it is a hard wood. It's probably been here for over 20, 30 years. Still ain't rotted. It smells good, though. I got a lot of clothes washed today again. On a rainy day like this, it's just working outside. You can get quite wet. Work some in the greenhouse, plant papayas, filled bags. We filled about, whoops, slip. Trying to get this building dried out. Oh, I think it will dry out once we get the water diverted away. So it won't run the building anymore. Might haul some dirt in pretty soon.
Too much off.
Well, I decided to try to dig underneath it. decided it's not worth trying to pull it out myself. I'll have to dig around it more or saw more of it off. At this point, I don't feel like doing too much more than just digging around it or under it. It should be pretty easy to get underneath it. I think I said before, but this section here I'm going to put guinea pigs. Put 2 cages off the ground here. I gotta get some grass for them. Yeah, they like to eat that tall grass. Not sure the name of it, but I gotta get hold of some. Get it planted and get the cages built and get guinea pigs. So it's a work in progress.
Me bison.
They'll get all done in one day.
Dad.
Hey,
It was Santa.
huh?
Santa.
Well, so we're cooking some rice for tomorrow. Ah, where did my spoon go? Oh, here it is. Sounds like it's about done. Yeah, it's about done. It's filling up here with dirt.
Going to town.